Hello, good afternoon my dear students. Today we will start the problem of two sets. So let's start. आज हामी चाहिँ problem of two sets को बारेमा केही क्वेशनहरु गर्छौं. So let's take first question. In the given Venn diagram you are watching, this is the Venn diagram given by the question. A and B are two subsets. Here A and B are the two subsets of universal set where n of u, universal set, the value of universal set is given here, and n of A is how much? 23, n of B is how much? 20, and n of A intersection B equal to how much? 8. And what are the question? What questions are? What we have to find out here? N of A union B, n of A union B whole complement, n of B minus A, only of A, exactly 1. So how to solve this? So yesterday we have written formula about the set. So here first write down given. First write down given for this question. So what is given? N of u means universal set, means the biggest set. N of u equal to how much given? 50 is given there, and then after n of A, how much given there? 23, and then after n of B, how much there? 20, and n of A intersection B, how much given there? 8. So let first find out this, how to calculate n of A union B when two sets are overlapping sets. So we have written the formula yesterday. What is the formula? So right here we know that n of A union B equal to, in the form of whole set, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the formula. So we have to apply this formula to get the value of n of A union B. So values are given here. What is the value of n of A? 23. So right here 23 plus n of B how much? 20, and then after n of A intersection B is how much? 8. So now add this, 0 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 8, and then after 43 minus 8 means how much? How much? 13 minus 8 means 5, and here 3. Now we have got the value of A union B equal to how much? 35. My dear students, एकदम तपाईहरु राम्रोसँग बुझिरहनु भयो होला, ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुस्, कपी कलम लिएर बस्नुस्. N of A union B equal to, what is the formula? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, and the value of n of A is how much? 23. I have written here 23. N of B equal to how much? 20. So I have written here 20, and n of A intersection B is how much? 8. So I have written here 8, and then after add this, being both have plus sign, so add this, 23 plus 20 means how much? 43. 43 minus 8 means how much? 13. So now in this way we have got the value of A union B, and second is what? Second is what? N of A union B whole complement. So again n of A union B whole complement means, what is the formula? Complement means difference of universal set and given set. So what is the given set here? N of A union B is the given set, and for this set we have to find out the complement of this set. So we have formula n of u minus n of A union B. The formula of complement of A union B means difference of universal set and set. So how much the value of given n of u? See here 50. So write here 50 minus how much we have got just now? N of A union B equal to how much? 35. So write here 35. So from 15, 35 is subtracted. How much left? 15. How much left? 15. And now we have got the value of A union B whole complement, that is what? 15. And then after what we would find out? N of B minus A. So N of B minus A is also written as only of B, means it is a type of difference set. So the elements that belongs to only in B, not in A, is known as difference of two set. So difference of two sets is defined as, if we have taken the set A and set B, it means A minus B. So the elements that are only in A, not in B, is known as difference of two sets. So here n of in the form of cardinal number, n of B minus A equal to what? Only of B. So here we can use the formula n of B minus A means n of B minus n of A intersection B. You are watching here that only of B means this is the whole set and it belongs to in set A also and in set A B also. So only we have to take the elements that are only in B. So what is here? 12. So you can find, you can directly write from the Venn diagram also and from the here solution also. So n of B is how much given there? Total is how much? N of B 20. Total is how much? 20. And how much the value of intersection is given here? 8. So write here 8. So 20 minus 8 means how much? 12. See here we have got the value 12 only of n of B minus A, or you can write here only of B also. So only of B we have got how much? 12, and here is already given in Venn diagram 12 like this. And then after same again only of A. So only of A like same you can write there n of A minus B. So what is the formula? Only of A means n of A minus n of A intersection B. So how much n of A is given their value? See here n of A is 23 minus n of B is how much? Intersection 8. So 23 minus 8 means what? 15. How much? 15. And then after in this way, see here by using formula also we have got 15, and here already in given Venn diagram is 15. So my dear students, what we have to find out now? The fifth one, that is E. E we have to exactly one. Exactly 1. Exactly 1 means what? Only of A plus only of B. Only of A plus only of B. So see here only of A means how much? 15. So write here 15. Only of B means what? 12. So write here 12. So 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2. This is the value of exactly 1, means only of set A and only of set B. The sum of only of set A and the only of set B is known as exactly 1. And we can plot the value. अब हामी Venn diagram में पनि के कुरा दिएछ र के कुरा प्लट गर्न बाँकी छ भने हामी हेरौँ त यहाँ टोटल सेट कति दिए थियो? n of A 23 थियो, 23 भयो. इंटरसेक्शन सेट कति दिएछ? 8 दिएछ 8, 23 minus 8 means 15, and then after 20 minus 8 means 12, and then after if you add all this 15 plus 8 plus 12, how much you will get? 35, and then after here complement, how much we have got the complement? 15. Complement is how much we have got? 15. हामी complement कति पाएछौं? 50 पाएछौं, 15 पाएछौं र यो 15 चाहिँ यो भेन डायग्राममा यो आउटसाइड अफ द बोथ सर्कल, यो दुईटै सर्कलको बाहिर जहाँ पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ। 15 लाई यसरी डाइरेक्ट 15 लेखिदिए पनि हुन्छ एकैचोटी नलेखेर यसलाई टुक्रा टुक्रा पनि गर्न सक्छौं हामीले। यहाँ 7 लेखिदिने, यहाँ हामीले 8 लेख्न सक्छौं, यसरी छुट्टा छुट्टै पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ, यसमा कन्फ्युजन नहुने। वाट एभर द नम्बर आउटसाइड द बोथ सर्कल, त्यो सबै कहाँ आउँछ? कम्प्लिमेन्टमा आउँछ। त्यो हामी पढ्यौं क्वेशन नम्बर 1। अब हामी जान्छौं क्वेशन नम्बर 2। हाउ टु सल्भ द क्वेशन नम्बर 2 means problem of 2 set and it is given in percentage. So let's see the solution, my dear students. My dear students, now first read the question. What is given here? In an examination, 80% of students passed in mathematics. एउटा एक्जाम भयो, त्यो एक्जाममा कति पर्सेन्ट स्टुडेन्टले पास गरे? म्याथमेटिक्समा 80%. So write down here, given, let the set math denoted by m. So n of m equal to how much? 80%. 80% students passed in mathematics, and then after 85% passed in science. So let the set science is denoted by s. So n of s equal to how much? 85. Very simple. Set is a very simple. And then after 75% in both, means the students, those who were passed in both subject, mathematics intersection science, how much? 75%. 75%. And what is asked here to find out? Find the percentage of students who do not read both of who do not pass both of the subjects. Who do not pass both of the subject. So we have to find out the means total pass student what? M union S complement. This is the pass student, and if you take the complement, it means what? Fail student. They will come in fail. So they must be in complement. What is that? It is not given. So one thing we have to very sincerely understand. What is that? यदि कुनै पनि सेटमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट को भ्यालु दिएछ या कम्प्लिमेन्ट को भ्यालु दिएछ भने ठुलो सेट के हुन्छ? युनिभर्सल सेट हुन्छ। या कम्प्लिमेन्ट सोधेछ दिएको छैन, कम्प्लिमेन्ट फाइन्ड गर्न भनेछ भने ठुलो सेट के हुन्छ? युनिभर्सल सेट हुन्छ। त्यस्तै यदि यहाँ पर्सेन्टेज छ भने ठुलो सेट के हुन्छ? युनिभर्सल सेट हुन्छ। सो एन अफ यू इक्वल टु कति हुन्छ? 100%. एन अफ यू इक्वल टु कति हुन्छ? 100%. युनिभर्सल सेट कति हुन्छ? 100%. किनभने यसमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट दिएको त छैन, तर कम्प्लिमेन्ट निकाल्न भनेको छ। पासलाई हामी सेट मान्छौँ भने फेल के हुन्छ? कम्प्लिमेन्ट हुन्छ। यदि कुनै सेटमा फेल को दिएछ, पास निकाल्न भनेछ भने हामी फेललाई सेट मान्छौँ, पास के हुन्छ? कम्प्लिमेन्ट हुन्छ। जस्तै कुनै स्टेडियममा चाहिँ खेलाडीहरूलाई सेट मान्यौँ भने दर्शक केमा पर्छन्? कम्प्लिमेन्टमा पर्छन्। त्यस्तै यो पनि हो सेट। हामी पासलाई सेट मान्छौँ भने फेल कम्प्लिमेन्टमा जान्छ, फेललाई सेट मान्छौँ भने पास कम्प्लिमेन्टमा जान्छ। त यहाँ पासलाई हामी सेट मानेछौँ, त्यही भएर फेल कहाँ जान्छ? कम्प्लिमेन्टमा जान्छ। अर्को कुरा के छ भने यो सबै डाटा केमा दिएछ? पर्सेन्टेजमा दिएछ। त्यही भएर युनिभर्सल सेट के भइहाल्यो? 100% भइहाल्यो। हामीले फाइन्ड गर्नु छ यो। त अब सबभन्दा पहिला यसको कम्प्लिमेन्ट फाइन्ड गर्नको लागि हामीले यसको भ्यालु फाइन्ड गर्नु पर्यो। सो अगेन वी नो दैट n of m union s equal to n of m plus n of s minus n of f intersection m intersection s. So what is the value of n of m? 80%, and then after this 85%, 75%. So directly you can solve. 85 minus 75 means what? 10. So here 80% plus 10% means 90%. So n of the value of n of m union s equal to how much we have got? 90%. And what we have to find out? Complement of n of m union s हामीले त्यो फाइन्ड गर्नु छ. त्यही भएर यसलाई फेरि लेख्ने. Again n of m union s whole complement. I have told you that the complement means what? The set of universal set and the difference of set of universal set and given set. So what is the universal set? N of u, and then after n of set means m union s, m union s. So give right here how much the value of in percentage. If complement is neither given nor asked, so the biggest set will be the union set and the value of union set will be what? 100%. But if complement is asked to find out or given, then in percentage the universal set is what? 100%. So here complement is asked to find out, that's why universal set is how much? 100% minus, and then after how much the value of n of m union s? 90%. Here right, 90%, and then after difference of 100% and 90% is how much? 10%. Understand? So now let plot this data in where? This data, let's plot Venn diagram. How to plot the given data in Venn diagram. So now in Venn diagram we have, now you know that universal is denoted by such block. So you can write here somewhere in any corner you can write u, and then after universal set is what? U, and these are the two subsets, they are m and n. So firstly, while plotting the Venn diagram or representing the data in Venn diagram, जब हामी डाटाहरु भेन डायग्राममा रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छौं त्यसमा सबभन्दा पहिला ध्यान दिनुपर्ने कुरा के हुन्छ भने पहिलो पटक हामीले या त कम्प्लिमेन्ट दिएछ भने कम्प्लिमेन्ट राख्नुपर्छ. यहाँ कति छ कम्प्लिमेन्ट? 10%. सो 10% भनेको यो दुईटै सर्कलको बाहिर हामी जहाँ पनि राख्न सक्छौं. त 10% यहाँ आयो. त्यसपछि के गर्ने? इन्टरसेक्सनको भ्यालु राख्नुपर्छ. यहाँ इन्टरसेक्सन कति छ? 75%. यो हो 75%. m र n को इन्टरसेक्सन को एरिया यही हो, ओभरल्यापिङ एरिया यही हो, त्यही भएर 75% यहाँ आयो. त्यसपछि हामीसँग n of m कति छ? 85%. 85% मा यो इन्टरसेक्सन माइनस गर्नुपर्छ. त कति आयो? 10%. त्यस्तै साइन्समा 10%. त्यस्तै अब सरी यो म्याथमेटिक्स रहेछ थियो. तो 80 minus 75 means 5%. र साइन्समा कति छ? 85% छ. यसमा पनि यो इन्टरसेक्सन घटाउनु पर्छ. 75% कति आयो? 10%. यसरी चाहिँ हामी भेन डायग्राम प्लट गरिसकेपछि के ध्यान दिनुपर्छ भने यहाँ चारवटा कम्पार्टमेन्ट भयो. 1 2 3 एन्ड दिस आउटसाइड. सो यो चारवटैको भ्यालु जोड्दा कति आउनु पर्छ? 100% आउनु पर्छ. एकचोटी हेरौँ त आयो कि आएन. 5% प्लस 75% कति आयो? 80 प्लस 10% कति आयो? 90 प्लस 10% कति आयो? 100. यो हाम्रो कति आयो? 100%. यसरी चाहिँ डाटा मिल्नु पर्छ. अनि बल्ल के हुन्छ यो सल्युसन कम्प्लिट हुन्छ। अब हामी यसमा केही समस्या छैन हजुरहरूलाई। त्यही भएर अब हामी तेस्रो क्वेशनमा जान्छौँ। थर्ड क्वेशन। थर्ड क्वेशनमा के दिएछ क्वेशन हामी पढौँ राम्रोसँग। विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू ध्यान दिएर, जो चाहिँ ध्यान दिएर हेर्छ पढ्छ उही नै सबै कुरा बुझ्छ। त्यही भएर तपाईहरू पक्कै यो क्लास हेरिरहनु भएको छ, मैले बुझेछु। यहाँ छ थर्ड नम्बरमा, इन अ ग्रुप अफ 100 पिपुल, 100 जना मान्छेहरूको एउटा समूह छ। 72 क्यान स्पिक इङ्ग्लिस, जसमध्ये 72 जना 72 जनाले के गर्छ इङ्ग्लिस बोल्न सक्छ। एन्ड 43 क्यान स्पिक नेपाली, 43 जनाले नेपाली बोल्छ। हाउ मेनी क्यान स्पिक इङ्ग्लिस ओन्ली, कतिजनाले इङ्ग्लिस मात्रै बोल्न सक्छ त्यो सोधेको छ। एन्ड देन आफ्टर हाउ मेनी क्यान स्पिक नेपाली ओन्ली, त्यसमध्ये नेपाली कतिजनाले मात्रै बोल्न सक्छ। एन्ड देन आफ्टर हाउ मेनी क्यान स्पिक बोथ, यसरी चाहिँ दुवै भाषा बोल्न कतिजनाले सक्छन्। त्यसमा एउटा कुरा हामी ध्यान दिनुपर्छ भने कतिजनाले बोल्न सक्दैनन् त्यो सोधेको छैन, न त यतिजनाले बोल्दैनन् यहाँ भनेको पनि छैन, र कतिजना बोल्दैनन् त्यो पनि निकाल्न भनेको छैन। यसको मतलब के बुझ्नुपर्छ भने यो 100 पिपुल जुन छ यो के हो युनियन अफ टु सेट हो। दिस वान इज द भ्यालु अफ युनियन अफ टु सेट। आई हेभ टोल्ड यु अलरेडी इफ कम्प्लिमेन्ट इज गिभेन or asked to find out, so biggest set is what? Universal set. If neither complement is given nor asked to find out, it means what? Biggest set is the union of two set. So 100 people is the union of two set because such condition are not given here, neither complement is given and nor asked to find out. So let's write their data. So question number 3, given how many 72 speak English. So let denote the English set by E. So N of E means what? 72 is given there. How much given? 72. And likewise N of Nepali. N of N means those people who can speak Nepali is how much? 43. And then after union of two set is given. N of E union N, how much given? 100. And what is asked to find out? Only of E, only of N, and then after what? How many can speak both means intersection. N of E intersection N. Three things we have to find out. So it is very simple. First, use the formula. We know that what is that? N of E union M equal to what the formula? N of E plus N of N minus N of E intersection N. This is the formula of union of two set. Now if you are equal, then we have to write here or. So what are the values? Write there respective values. So N of E union N, how much given here? 100. So 100. N of E how much? 72 plus N of N is 43 minus N of E intersection N, or this is 100. 2 plus 3 5, 7 plus 4 11 minus N of E intersection N. Now we have to find out the value of N of E intersection N. So we have to transpose this from this side to this side, and my dear students, you know very well, while transposing anything from here, from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, the sign of coefficient will change. So this is what here? Minus, so it became plus, and here is what? Plus, so it became minus. So therefore you can write here N of E intersection N equal to 115 here plus, this is minus, so became plus, here plus, so became minus, means how much? 115 minus 100 means 15. So, we have got the value of intersection. We have got the value of intersection. This value we have got now, and then after we have to find out this. So, again only of E means n of E minus n of E intersection n. So, how much here? 72 minus how much intersection we have got? 15. So, this means from 12, 5 gone, how much left? 7, here is 6, 1 is gone, 5. And then after again same, only of n. So, n of n minus n of E intersection n equal to how much here? 43 minus 15 to 13. Minus 5, and then after we have got the value of this. Only of n. So, here let plot in Venn diagram same. So, n and this one is what? English. So, how many speak here? Both subject, both that not given. So, here Nepali is how much? 72, 72 minus intersection we have got 15. So, 72 minus 15 means what? 57, and then after this is 28. So, there is not given the complement. So, here is not necessary to plot outside, no data is there. So, you can add by adding all these 3 compartments, you must get how much? 100. So, 8 plus 5 how much? 13 and 7 20, 20 means 0, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 10 means 100. So, we have got the value of this. So, my dear students, you can from the book you can able to solve such type of question. Tomorrow we will solve some more questions about the set. So, पक्कै तपाईहरुले राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुभएको छ, बुझ्नुभयो होला, मैले यही आशा लिइरहेको छु र राम्रोसँग चाहिँ प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस्, आफ्नो घरमा बसेर राम्रोसँग भिडियो हेर्नुस् र सेटमा कुनै त्यस्तो किसिमको गाह्रो समस्या छैन र तपाईहरुले ध्यान दिएर हेर्दिनु भएकोमा धेरै धन्यवाद दिँदै आजको क्लास यही समाप्त गर्दैछु। धन्यवाद। थ्यांक यू all of you.